Hello everyone, I hope you're doing wonderful, and in this lesson we'll create these beautiful spinning circle infographics. So let's jump to our class project and we can duplicate our last slide. Let's delete everything and let's just leave 3 text boxes with icons. Alright, let's spread them out a little bit. Alright, let's update the title. And let me quickly update these fill colors. And we are ready. So now let me show you how we can create this beautiful triple circle shape. So let's just turn on the grid, turn on the guides. Let's go to Insert Shapes and let's choose a circle. Hold down the Shift key to draw a perfect circle. For the width and height, let's type in 12 centimeters. For now, let's just leave only the outlines. No fill. Alright. So now let's position our circle so that there is one column going through the middle of this circle. Just like that. Column in the middle of the circle. And let's make sure that the bottom of this circle goes just a little bit below this row. Just a little bit below. Alright, so now let's just duplicate this circle. And let's make sure that the second circle, that the middle of this second circle on the left side intersects with the first circle at the middle, just like this. And now we can drag a copy to the left side and make sure that this one intersects at the middle as well. And we are pretty much finished with the shape itself. Now we can add some fill color to these shapes. Let's just copy the style from the purple bubble and paste the style. Ctrl-Shift-V to our circles. That's beautiful. Let me check if these 2 bottom circles are aligned. Yes, they are, so let's continue. Now we can select all of these 3 guys, go to Merge Shapes and choose Fragment. Now we have fragmented our circles and we can delete this middle part. And now we'll have to do some joining of these parts. So let's select these first 2. Let's go to Merge Shapes and choose Union. Now let's select next these 2 guys. Let's union them. And lastly, these 2 guys, let's union them as well. Now let me quickly change the fill colors and add some icons. Alright, everything is looking good, and now we can start working with animations. So let's check the original once again. As you can see, we have some spinning motion. And let's add that spinning motion to our circles as well. Alright, so let's select this bright one. Let's go to Entrance Animations. Let's go for more entrance animations and let's pick this one, which is called Spinner. Spinner animation, that's awesome. Alright. So let's make sure it starts with previous. Okay, duration 0.5 seconds. And now with the animation painter, we can paste this animation to the rest of the shapes and icons. Alright. Now let me just reset all of these delays because all of them are now set to 0.6. So let's just reset them to 0 seconds. And now let's just add some delays. So for example, for these guys, let's add 0.2. And for these guys, 0.4. And here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Now you know how you can create your own awesome circle infographic. And in the next lesson, we'll be creating these animated color bars. I'll see you there.